guys, and welcome back to Salty Tales. Today I was going crazy with the sweets, guys. Today keto is been kicking my butt, man. I need some sweet in my life. I was going crazy. So I was thinking, man, what can I do that it has a little bit of sweet on it, but it's not all the way out of keto? And I came out with an idea of making some beautiful, awesome, super nice baby back ribs. We're gonna use the method called 3-2-1, and we're gonna do it in the Weber. And the Weber, I have a few tricks for you guys that I think you guys are gonna like, so let's go.
Baby back ribs come in all sizes and in all ways, and as you can see, I was lucky and I got these two beautiful ones. Look at how much meat we have here. So all I did was just to clean them up and present them to you guys, but as you can see, this one down here have a membrane that covers the bones. Some people like to leave it in there, but I like to take them out. And to take them out is really simple. Just get on a spoon and scrape the bone a little bit. You're gonna see how that pocket forms. Grab a paper tissue and just pull. And it's gonna open up like a paper. At the end of the day, it's just a matter of preferences. I like to take them out because I don't want that membrane that looks like a paper just in there and doing nothing. But some people like to leave it in, so it's however you like it, man. Let's get into the ninja rub here, man. And this is pretty easy. If I can do it, anybody can do it. This is gonna be a little bit of cracked sugar, a little bit of chili, a little bit of paprika. Of course, we're gonna use some garlic powder and some onion powder in here. To make it spicy, let's put a little bit of red pepper, of course, black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. That's pretty much it. After that, all we do is mix everything well and get it ready to put on top of those amazing baby back ribs. For the rub to stay on top of the meat, we have to put some adhesive so everything can get stuck in there. And in this case, I'm gonna use honey. Some people use mustard, some people use something else, but I like honey because honey goes really well with pork. And after all that honey is spread well on top of the ribs, let's start adding our rub and let's make sure that everything gets stuck on the meat. I'm gonna pat them well, I'm gonna make sure that everything is sticking there and nothing goes away. And this is gonna be like that for both sides, the front and the back. Remember, that recipe that I gave you for the rub is for only 1 rack of ribs. If you need more than that, then you have to double the ingredients or triple it depending on how much meat you have. These babies are ready, so let's put them on the side and let's get ready with the grill. And here's where we start with the tricks, guys. I'm gonna put the charcoals on the side of the grill and I'm gonna put these 2 fire bricks in the front. Also, I'm gonna restrict the intake of air from the bottom and from the top of the grill. And I'm gonna play with the air intake until I keep the temperature at 250 degrees. Make sure your top intake of air is not directly on top of the charcoal. I like to put some water next to the charcoal on the other side of the grill so it helps me maintain the temperature. After all that, just add whatever meat you're gonna cook on the grill. And I have another trick for you guys. Give me a second. I have another fire brick ready to put right between the charcoals and the meat and try to reflect a little bit of the heat out of the meat. And the whole idea here is to cook the meat with the heat that comes out of the charcoal, not with the fire. And this was another little trick for you guys. If you notice in the beginning, I put the ribs with the bones up. And I like to put it like that for about an hour so all that meat within the bones get cooked pretty well. After an hour, I will go there and I will flip the ribs so the bones are always down. And the whole idea here is to keep the heat on the meat, not on the bone. From now on, that's the way it's gonna be. Alright, we've been into the cook for 3 hours and let's prepare the marinade that we're gonna put on the meat. This is just apple juice and I like to put a lot of sugar in it. And just in case you think it's not sweet enough, let's put a little bit of honey too. Mix well with a little bit of salt and that should be enough to get a really nice flavor within those ribs. As you can appreciate here, look, they're coming out really nice and the colors are getting in there. So it's time to get them soft with this marinade. So I'm gonna put it here on this aluminum foil and I'm gonna put the marinade right on top of it and I'm gonna let a little bit of the sugar also get on top of the bones and make it look really nice. Also pay attention to the position of the ribs. They are going with the bones up now because the meat is gonna cook with the marinade, so that's the way we want it from now on. Just make sure that all that flavor get in there, man. And close this thing up as much as you can. Make sure that none of the juices get wasted. And let's put them back in the grill. And after all those crazy things that we did, all we have left is just to open this beauty. Take a look at it, look at how beautiful it is. And just take it out of the aluminum foil and put it back on the fire for an hour. Man, this is looking good. This is gonna be awesome, guys. I'm just putting the voiceover now in this video. Man, I can smell those ribs from here. Woof. And after we put these beauties back in the grill, all we have left to do is to put some barbecue sauce on top and make it look really nice, man, because this is already well cooked and it's looking good. One more hour and we should be done with everything and have some amazing ribs in our hands, man. Man, these beautiful ribs, they deserve a like, man. Give it a like, bro. Give it a like. Man, this is good, good, good. Awesome color, awesome flavor. This is gonna be amazing, guys.
Alright guys, I'm sorry that Miss Ninja is not here. She's haven't come back yet, and she's in the competition with my daughter. Started raining. This is going a little crazy and it's getting dark. So I think it's good if we give it a try, and then I save a bunch of it for Miss Ninja, my daughter, and the whole family when they come back from the competition. Let's see this thing, man, because the smell smells amazing, guys. And as you can see, it's falling apart, so let's go for it, man. It's, look at how it looks, man. It's awesome, brother. It's delicious. I mean, you have to try this thing. And clean off the bone, guys. Oh, but still have a good bite into it. The flavors are amazing, super tender, super juicy, ridiculously good. And I can feel that little hint of the chili that I put in there. Man, this is a freaking amazing flavor. Wow, guys, this is a total success. This is awesome. This is amazing. This is delicious, brother. This is amazing, man. I love every single part of it. It's a little long cook, 6 hours, 3 hours to start, 2 hours in the wrap, and then 1 hour after the wrap. But it come out delicious. It's worth it all the time. Every minute is worth it in there, guys. And this is amazing. I don't know if you can hear already the thunders coming in. I had to pick this thing and clean it up real quick. So that's it for today, guys. If you like it, please hit us with a like. If you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to the channel, please. And if you have any comment, any idea, or anything that you want to say about this video, please put it down there in the comments. The recipe and everything is going to be down there in the description. So I'll see you in the next one, guys.